Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get this neon text effect on Instagram. So in here, you can start by going to the Instagram story camera. So let's just click on a plus icon in here. Now you can select a photo or directly use this camera. For example, I'm going to just capture this. For example, here you want to start to write a text first. For example, I'm going to just write neon text. Here you can choose the font first and also find the color that you want. I'm going to use this bubble. Here I'm going to change the color into yellow. And to easily have the neon effect, you can click on this A with dots on it, and you'll find two options, sparkle and also neon. So just tap on the neon options and you'll have this neon text effect. You can click on done, and here I'm going to make the text bigger, just like this is the neon text effect on Instagram. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.